Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to publish your video on Invideo. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here and then search for ai.invideo.io. And once we are now on this page right here, so let's say for example that we want to publish this video right here. So let's say this is the one. So let's use this as an example. So let's click it and see right there. Let's use this as example for this video. So the next thing that we need to do is to click this download button right here. And after you click that, just click continue and then wait it to finish. And after you downloaded your video right here, you can now share it and publish it to your social media accounts if you are a content creator. So you can publish to YouTube, to Facebook, to Instagram, and then to TikTok, and then more. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.